Hear that? Well, that is music to my ears. What you might call the sweet symphony of performance. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. And that is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the track-inspired thrills of the refreshed 2024 Elantra N. I'm Jesse, your product specialist and host, and as you can tell, I am really excited about this one because Elantra N is a serious performance machine that shares its DNA with the Elantra N TCR race car that's been dominating the IMSA touring car class. In fact, just the exhaust note alone tells you Elantra N means business, and yet there's still so much more that makes this such an exciting car to drive. And on top of that, this 2024 model has just been updated with fresh styling along with some impressive tech and safety features. But I know you're here to learn about performance, so let's start with Elantra N's sport-tuned engine. It's a 2-liter turbocharged direct inject 4-cylinder engine that produces 276 horsepower along with 289 pound-feet of torque routed through its front wheels. There's a variable exhaust valve system that lets you adjust the size of the exhaust valve opening according to your mood, from normal for everyday driving to the fully open N for an explosive exhaust note for use just on the track. And to handle all that power, you're going to get your choice of transmissions. There's a 6-speed manual transmission standard with rev matching technology, and that's going to give you the thrill of shifting yourself. Now, there's not a lot of cars out there today, not even sports cars, that offer a manual, and you're going to get that choice with Elantra N. There's also an N 8-speed wet dual clutch transmission with paddle shifters and near instantaneous gear shifts. And with launch control, which holds your engine at a driver-defined RPM for consistent launches, you're going to go 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. But all those are just scratching the surface when it comes to Elantra N's performance. And that's because Elantra N has a few tricks up its sleeve trickled down from our TCR race car, including some track-only features and driver-customizable performance settings that make this a true N model. You're going to have N Grin Shift, where one push of a button leads to 20 seconds of overboost for max performance. N Power Shift, which engages when accelerating with more than 90% throttle and mitigates torque reduction during upshifts for max power. An N Corner Carving Differential, an electronic limited slip differential that distributes torque to the outer wheels when turning, maximizing cornering speed and handling while helping to reduce understeer. And the performance enhancements don't stop there. You're going to have a multi-link independent rear suspension, an electronically controlled suspension, which controls the damping force for each wheel, the N rear strut base, which increases body rigidity by 29% versus the standard Elantra and improves handling, and your high-performance brakes with the red N-badged brake calipers. These are both larger in front and rear at 14.2 inches in the front and 12.4 inches in the rear. And this is going to help enhance heat endurance and brake performance. And with the N Grin control system giving you customizable drive modes, you can dial in exactly how you like to drive. There's Eco, Normal, and Sport, along with 2 fully customizable drive settings. Now for Elantra N's aggressive exterior design, which for the N really is a visual representation of its performance. Starting in the rear, you have a rear wing type spoiler, aggressive rear diffuser, and dual large bore exhaust tips that all show the world this is a true performance car. And then there's the N badge. Now the N's been getting more and more known for its hardcore performance, deriving its name from both Namyang, the city in South Korea where Hyundai's R&D center is located and where the Hyundai N was born, and Nürburgring, that famous test track in Germany where the N cars hone their skills. You're getting new 19-inch black matte alloy wheels, forged for lightweight and high strength and wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S summer performance tires. The aggressive design is accented by these unique side body panels, including parametric surfacing with sharp creases and a Z-shaped character line, which creates a dynamic contour. Elantra N also has a new streamlined front end for 2024, including a new lower profile cascading grille and exclusive design for the grille bumpers and front spoiler that's more aggressive than your standard Elantra. Standard dual LED projector headlights which seamlessly integrate into the overall design, and hidden LED daytime running lights. All of these combining for a sleek and modern yet still sporty, aggressive look. Now let's take a look at the driver-focused interior. One of the first things you're going to notice is this prominent cornering grip bar. And I absolutely love this as it enhances the overall sports car feel and look on the inside. The N-Lite Sport bucket seats, leather trimmed with Alcantara inserts, illuminated N logo, and heated up front, N leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and other creature comforts like the soft material added around the front door handles, dual automatic climate control, and power sunroof available in your dual clutch transmission model. Now, when it comes to technology, Elantra N has all those must-haves you can't live without, including a 10.25-inch center touchscreen with smart navigation. Now, this is going to be a high-resolution LCD display with user-friendly interface and the ability to personalize your individual profiles. You're going to have a Bose 8-speaker premium audio system, a 10.25-inch digital cluster, and with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you have access to your maps, your music, your entertainment, all by just plugging in your phone. We've even upgraded the Qi wireless device charging, and now includes a charging indicator light and a new guardrail to help support your phone while charging. Plus, you're going to get our BlueLink connected car system, which allows you to remotely access Elantra N from a compatible smartphone and do things like lock and unlock your vehicle, remote climate control, check out where you parked, and much more, all at no additional monthly fee. And on top of that, yes, there is more tech in this car. You have a Wi-Fi hotspot capability and modern USB-C ports in both the front and rear, allowing everyone in the car to keep their devices charged. And finally, one really cool tech feature that makes a big difference in your day is going to be the Hyundai Digital Key 2 Touch. Now, with Hyundai Digital Key 2 Touch, you actually have the ability to unlock your car and start your motor using your smartphone. You don't even need your key fobs. Now, this works with compatible iPhones and Android devices, as well as with compatible Apple Watches. And you can even share your digital key with another driver's compatible smartphone. Now, when it comes to safety, Elantra N has you covered with a suite of our standard Smart Sense safety features designed to help keep you and your passengers safe. This includes forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, safe exit warning, and rear occupant alert. Plus, a host of advanced driving aids such as lane keeping assist, lane following assist, driver attention warning, parking distance warning, forward and reverse, and hill start assist control. Plus, there's so much more that comes with owning a Hyundai, like America's best warranty. That's a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty. You're also going to get Hyundai complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. And because we care about building you the highest quality vehicles, we even produce our own advanced high-strength steel, making Elantra N both very light and very strong. So there you have it, the 2024 Elantra N, with its race-tuned handling, raw exhaust note, and N performance enhancements throughout. This car is going to leave you grinning from ear to ear. It's a true driver-focused sports sedan you really have to experience for yourself.